Alright guys, congratulations to all of the Dogecoin holders. If you're holding the Dogecoin until now, probably today you guys probably get a really big payday. But the question I receive right now is, Jimmy, I'm so tempted right now, and should I sell my Dogecoin right now at 12 cents or 13 cents, or should I keep it, Jimmy? So to answer your question, should you sell your Dogecoin right now or should you keep it? Well, for me personally, I would not sell my Dogecoin. Or ThinkSmartBrother, we're not going to sell our Dogecoin until the Dogecoin at least going to hit like $10, okay? And from there, myself, I'm gonna assess the environment, assess many different factors to see if I want to sell like 25%, 20%, thing like that, okay? But I will not sell my Dogecoin anytime soon in the next 5 to 7 years until Dogecoin at least hit $10, okay? So that's my take. Now, if you are wondering, like, should you sell your Dogecoin or not? Well, some people I know it's very tempted, you know, like you invest in at 4 cents, 5 cents, and now Dogecoin go all the way up to like 12 to 13 cents, and you profit a lot of money. And you are right now, you are really worried that maybe Dogecoin are gonna have a huge pullback down to like 9 cents, 10 cents, or even 6 or 7 cents, right? You don't know, right? The market, you might think, is very volatility, and I understand exactly where you come from. Well, first of all, if you think right now that the profit for Dogecoin is enough for you, okay? If you feel like, okay, I win enough, and you want to cash out, then probably you should cash out, okay? That is just my take for you. Because what happened is, for me, personally, when I invest into Dogecoin, I see that Dogecoin will become the earth currency. And if we become the earth currency, it's at least going to be $1 to $10. Okay, that's just my take. So why would I be dumb enough to cash out right now at 10 cents or 12 cents? It just doesn't make sense. Because when you invest into something, when I mean invest into something, that means you have a long-term vision into that thing right there, right? Because you are not a day trader. You have a vision into that thing, and you're willing to take risks on the money that right now you don't really need for your future, right? For your retirement, for whatever reason that you have. So why would you cash out the money when you don't really need it right now? So that just doesn't make sense. But if you really need the money, then do what's best for you. That's my take for you, okay? The next thing is, some people, they're gonna be like, Jimmy, I'm so tempted right now with 12 cents, 13 cents, and I want to take out some money, maybe 50% or even all the money, to invest into the stock right now. The market is dropped so red right now. I want to take out the money and put in there and make more money, or I want to take some of money from that particular Dogecoin right now and put in more other coin, because right now other coin is really hot right now. The price is really low. Let me put it in there and make more money. I understand exactly how you guys feel, right? Because I've been there, I've been through the process, but I tell you, when you find one unicorn, and if this unicorn is amazing, is awesome, then what's the point of investing into any other thing right there, trying to maximize the potential when this unicorn haven't even started to maximize the potential yet, right? So that is just my take. So, but then the choice is yours. If right now you, like say, right, if you right now, okay, if you decide, say, Jimmy, I know the stuff that you say is make a lot of sense, but you know, what if like tomorrow, the next day, next week, or next month, Jimmy, if those coins go down to like 10 cents or even 8 cents or 6 cents, Jimmy, that I gotta kick myself in the wall or something like that, or hit my head in the wall, say, damn, I should have cashed out during that time. I shouldn't even listen to Jimmy, you know, and I should cash out and take my profit, right? If you have the emotion right now, if you have that thinking right now that those coins going to go down to like 6 cents, 7 cents, or even 8 cents, and you are afraid, you are worried, because let me tell you something. For me, I really see that those coins could go to like 15 cents, 20 cents, or 25 cents when Coinbase put those coins in. Elon Musk tweet more about those coins and more celebrity join force, right? I see it going up. But however, I see there is a possibility that a lot of traders, like you guys, for example, watch these videos, or many other traders buy low, sell high. They cash out for many different reasons, buy different stock, buy different crypto, diversify. There are all kind of reasons for the short-term day trader. They don't looking for the long term. And guess what happened? There is a possibility, high possibility, that from 13 cents, 12 cents, it's gonna pull back to 7 to 8 cents. Possible. I'm telling you, it's possible. So for me, I'm totally okay. Because why? Why would I need to be freaked out and afraid into those coins when it's pulled back, when I invest in, let's say, as 4 cents, 5 cents? Why should I be afraid? Because I saw the vision of those coins gonna hit $1. So there's no point of me gonna be worried. It's just a matter of time for those coins to hit $1. So why don't I just stay still, patient, buy in more when it's going down? So if you are right now, you worry if those coins, I say again, okay? If you are right now worry next week, next month, or next day, if you don't take out a profit right now and those coins pull back down to 7 cents or 8 cents, and you lose a huge potential, or you send me a screenshot like, Jimmy, look at this, you just tell me to keep it and now it's going down to 7 to 8 cents. Guess what happened? You will start to blame me or say all this reason, and you're like, oh my God, I wish I could cash out a long time ago. If you in that position right now, I highly recommend you should cash out. Because why? You don't see the vision into those coins. You don't see the vision is gonna hit to like $1. So what's the point of you keeping it, right? So I always say, one of the best reward and one of the most high reward on this planet, in business, in investing, is for people who willing to delay gratification. Because so many times, guys, I see so many people, they make money and they spend money on, like you see celebrity all the time, right? They make money, and business people, they make money, they spend money on junk stuff like buying car, buying clothes, buying purse, buying, many different things that they don't need to impress the people. They don't even care, right? And by the end of the day, they don't have any money left, right? And why I give you this example? Because successful people, successful investor, genius investor like you and me, right? We willing to delay gratification. We saw the win of those coins in front of us, but we don't take out the profit. We put it back, we keep it there, and when it pull back, we pound it more because we saw the vision. And success, huge success, always reward for people who willing to delay gratification for long-term 10x success, guys. All right, guys, good luck. That is my answer for you guys. And always invest like a genius.